A trip to the moon. Many people dream about going to the moon and seeing the Earth from far away. The moon is the closest space object to our planet and has no air, trees, or animals. It is cold, quiet, and full of gray rocks and dust. Astronauts wear special suits to protect their bodies and help them breathe. In 1969, humans landed on the moon for the first time in history. They took pictures, collected rocks, and left a flag to show they were there. That moment changed how we see space forever. A trip to the moon is not like a normal airplane ride. You need a rocket to leave the Earth and travel through space. The trip can take about 3 days, and you must bring food, water, and oxygen. The rocket must be very strong to escape Earth's gravity. When you reach the moon, you can feel very light because there is less gravity there. People can jump higher and move slowly like they are floating. Everything looks different when you are standing on another world. Living on the moon is still not possible for a long time. There is no air to breathe and no water to drink. Scientists are working hard to build special homes where people could live one day. These homes would need power, food, and strong protection from the sun. Robots are already exploring the moon to help us learn more. Some people believe that in the future, children may go on vacation to the moon. It would be a new kind of adventure never seen before. A trip to the moon is more than just science. It is also about hope and imagination. It shows that humans can do amazing things when they work together. Many kids today want to become astronauts and explore space. Watching rockets fly and land safely gives people inspiration. The moon reminds us how small Earth is in the big universe. We still have many questions to answer about space and life. A trip to the moon is just the beginning of a great journey beyond the stars. How to learn English fast and easy. Learning English can be easy if you have the right plan and motivation every day. First, it is important to start with simple words and short phrases that you can use in real life. Watching English videos with subtitles is a fun way to hear how native speakers talk. Try to repeat the sentences out loud to practice speaking clearly and with confidence. Listening to English music or podcasts while doing daily tasks helps your brain learn without pressure. If you enjoy the process, learning becomes faster and more natural. Reading simple English texts every day is another great way to improve fast. You can read short stories, news articles for beginners, or even children's books. When you see a new word, try to guess its meaning from the sentence before using a dictionary. Write down useful words in a notebook and review them often. Reading out loud also helps with pronunciation and fluency. The more you read, the more your brain gets used to the English language. Speaking is one of the most important skills to practice every day, even if you are alone. Talk to yourself about your day, your plans, or what you see around you. You can also record your voice and listen to how you sound in English. Try to find someone to talk with, like a friend, a teacher, or even a language partner online. Don't worry about mistakes. Speaking more is how you improve quickly. Remember, confidence is more important than being perfect. Finally, make English a part of your daily life so you learn faster without stress. Change your phone settings to English and try thinking in English as much as possible. Set small goals like learning 5 new words every day or watching one short video in English. Use apps, flashcards, or games that make learning fun and exciting. Be patient and keep practicing, even when it feels hard. With time and effort, you will see big progress in your English. Keep going and don't give up. Believe in yourself. Believing in yourself means trusting that you can do things, even when they feel difficult or new. It is normal to feel afraid sometimes, but you should not let fear stop you from trying. When you believe in yourself, you give yourself the power to grow, learn, and become better each day. Many great things begin with a simple decision to try, even if success does not come right away. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to be brave enough to take the first step. Confidence grows little by little every time you try something and keep going. Sometimes people will not believe in you, but that does not mean you are not capable. There will be moments when you feel alone or unsure, but those feelings are part of the journey. The most important voice you hear is your own. So speak to yourself with kindness and courage. You are stronger than you think, and every mistake is a chance to learn something new. Everyone feels weak at times, but true strength is choosing not to give up. When you believe in yourself, you light a fire that keeps you moving, even on hard days. Believing in yourself helps you chase your dreams and become the person you want to be. Even when things are not easy, that belief gives you the energy to keep trying. You can build a better future if you start with hope and believe that you are worthy of success. Your ideas, your voice, and your story matter more than you know. Don't wait for someone else to say you can do it. Tell yourself every day that you can. Great journeys begin with faith in small steps and trust in your own heart. You do not have to walk the path alone. Ask for help when you need it, but keep believing in your path. Surround yourself with people who lift you up and remind you of your strength. Use your voice to speak your truth, even when it shakes, because you have something special to say. Every day is a new chance to believe a little more in yourself and take one step forward. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and be proud of who you are becoming. The most powerful thing you can do is believe in yourself, because that is where everything begins. Happy New Year 2026. Happy New Year 2026 is a special moment when people all around the world say goodbye to the past year and welcome a fresh beginning. This time is full of hope, dreams, and new chances to do better things in life. Many people think about what they learned last year and how they can grow in the new year. Families and friends come together to celebrate, share food, and enjoy happy moments. Fireworks light up the sky and make the night feel exciting and full of joy. This celebration helps people feel connected and ready to start again. The new year is a time to make goals and simple plans for the future. People often promise to take better care of their health, their studies, or their work. Some want to learn new skills, travel to new places, or spend more time with loved ones. Even small goals can make a big difference over time if we stay patient and focused. The beginning of 2026 gives everyone a clean page to write a new story. This moment reminds us that change is possible for everyone. Happy New Year 2026 also invites us to be thankful for what we already have in life. Being grateful helps us feel calm and positive even when life is not perfect. Many people take time to forgive mistakes and let go of bad feelings from the past. This helps the heart feel lighter and more open to happiness. Kind words, simple smiles, and good actions can start the year in a beautiful way. When we choose kindness, the new year becomes brighter for everyone. As 2026 begins, it is important to believe in yourself and your dreams. Every day of the new year is a new chance to learn, try again, and improve little by little. Life may bring challenges, but hope gives us strength to continue moving forward. Spending time with family, friends, and peaceful moments can make the year more meaningful. Happy New Year 2026 is not only a celebration, but also a promise to live with purpose and joy. May this year bring health, peace, and success to all. How lightning really works. Lightning is a natural electrical event that happens high in the sky when strong storms form. It begins when tiny pieces of ice inside clouds move around quickly and create an electric charge. This electric charge becomes stronger and stronger as the storm grows bigger and more powerful. When the charge has no more space to stay inside the cloud, it tries to escape and travel somewhere else. This sudden movement of electricity creates a bright flash that we see across the sky. People see lightning before hearing thunder because light travels much faster than sound. Inside the storm cloud, the top becomes positively charged while the bottom becomes negatively charged. These opposite charges create a strong attraction, similar to a magnet being pulled toward another magnet. When the attraction becomes too strong, lightning is released as a huge spark of electricity. Sometimes the lightning travels inside the cloud, connecting different parts of it. Other times it travels from one cloud to another, lighting up the whole sky. And in many cases, lightning travels from the cloud down toward the ground. When lightning strikes the ground, it usually hits the tallest or highest object it can find. This is why tall trees, mountains, and buildings are more likely to be struck than small or low objects. The lightning moves through the air very quickly, heating it to extremely high temperatures. This sudden heat makes the air expand fast, and the expansion creates the loud sound we call thunder. Even though lightning is dangerous, it is also an important part of Earth's natural electrical balance. Scientists study lightning to understand how it forms and how it affects our planet. They use special cameras, sensors, and satellites to record lightning flashes and measure their strength. This helps them predict storms and warn people to stay safe during severe weather. Lightning also helps create natural chemicals in the atmosphere that are useful for plants and the environment. Understanding how lightning really works allows us to appreciate the power of nature while also learning how to protect ourselves. And even though lightning can be frightening, it remains one of the most amazing sights in the natural world. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.